How to fix apps not downloading on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have the correct internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or the cellular network. And once checked so, all you have to do is tap on the settings app from the iPhone's home screen. Then, once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the screen time option available there. Then, once inside the screen time, all you have to do is scroll down again and tap on the content and privacy restrictions option available there. Then, inside content and privacy restrictions, make sure to toggle on the switch. Then there you can simply see installing or App Store and iTunes purchases option available there. In there, tap on the installing apps, then make sure it is in allow mode. After that, go back and turn off the content and privacy restrictions. Then go back to the settings again, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, all you have to do is look for the software update option available in there and simply tap on it. Inside software update, make sure that you have the latest version. If you're stuck on any iOS, consider updating to a newer version if your device supports it. Then go back to the general, scroll down and tap on the reset iPhone option available there. Then tap on the reset, then tap on reset all settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.